All right, going back to the biggest story of the day, because there has been a tweet that has now been putting out the information by the zonal director of the NCB, Sameer Wankhede, where the NCB has confirmed the names of the 8 people who have been detained by the agency. It is now being confirmed Aryan Khan has been detained by the agency and is being investigated by the Narcotics Control Bureau. 8 names that have been put out by the zonal director of the NCB, Sameer Wankhede. And Aryan Khan is being said to be one of them. He is one of those people who have been detained by the NCB, and the questioning currently is on. Now, this is the NCB, which has said that they acted on a specific intelligence input, and this undercover operation that was carried out, it was a painstaking effort that went on for over 2 weeks now, that led them to this successful undercover operation. Priyanka, we are getting to know that Aryan Khan has been one of those 8 names that has now been written by Sameer Wankhede in a tweet that has just been put out.
Well, yes, it's official now, something that we had been learning from our sources since late last night, that Aryan Khan has also been involved in this entire drug bust that has been carried out by NCB. In fact, just a few moments ago, we had shown you visuals of some movements outside of the NCB office. There were lawyers who were going inside. So it's very obvious that the people who have been apprehended, the people who have been taken into custody, their legal teams are also showing up. Now, Aryan Khan's name now has been confirmed publicly by Sameer Wankhede himself. So we can say now that this was a really high-profile rave party that was being carried out on board of this cruise ship. And now this becomes a lot more serious, because they are looking into the entire investigation as to where these drugs were being brought in from, who was consuming this drug, who was the facilitator of these drugs as well. All of those aspects of the investigation will be carried out. Interrogation will be carried out. Statements are being taken of all the suspects, of the people who have been detained as well. Now, two peddlers had also been detained by the officials. They are also being questioned. This becomes a very, very serious matter now, Amita, now that we are seeing superstar of Bollywood's, their sons being involved in this entire matter, their names being confirmed by the NCB. Now really goes to show how deep these relations really run between these peddlers and these Bollywood superstars, sons and daughters, all of them who had been on board of this cruise ship for this quote-unquote rave party. Now the investigation will be carried out as to who was pushing these drugs, and were these people key people, in fact, of Bollywood, who had been at the epicenter of this entire rave party, and who had actually brought all of these drugs on board of the cruise ship as well. In a while from now, perhaps we were expecting Sameer Wankhede to come out and make a statement, but now that he has publicly confirmed this news of superstars' sons being involved in this, becomes a very, very high-profile case. We are bringing you minute-to-minute, update of all the investigation being carried out, because right outside of the NCB office, we had seen movement of lawyers, a team of lawyers going inside, several officers also additionally going inside. It really goes to show that the defense team of the people who have been detained have also been called to the NCB office. Their statements are being taken in presence of their legal teams as well. Now we will have to wait and see how deep this investigation will run, as to understand the relation of the drugs and Bollywood with respect to this cruise ship as well, Amita.
Priyanka, for the moment, thanks very much. We're keeping our viewers updated, because this is the latest tweet and information that has been put out by the NCB confirming the names of the 8 people who have been detained by the agency. It is now confirmed, official, that Aryan Khan has been detained by the agency and currently is being investigated by the NCB.